Let's begin. We will start with 5 minutes of focused breathing and meditation on our inhale. So please lay down, close the eyes, begin to become aware of your breathing. You're breathing through the nose, using the inhale to expand the chest. You can take in a lot of air quickly and a lot of air slowly. Just notice the initial rate of your breathing. And we start somewhere and always finish with a very long, calm, and relaxed breath. So as you begin to notice where your breath is, also start to slow down the rate that you're inhaling. Slow down the rate that you're moving your ribs. Slow down the rate that you're bringing the air in through the nose. Nice and easy and even. We nourish ourselves as we breathe, and we nourish ourselves through the oxygen and the inhale. And this activity can be brought forward into our day-to-day experience and our day-to-day life. We take a moment to inhale. Then we get on the phone. We take a long breath or two. Then we get back on the computer. 3 more minutes, smoothing out the inhale, finding a slow extension of the inhale, and reminding yourselves that when you inhale, the abdominal area stays very passive, hardly moving. And that allows the refined expansion of the chest and the torso and the ribs. So inhale, slowly extend the length of the inhale, and mentally remind yourself of those things that you do to nourish yourself on a daily basis, on a weekly basis. How do I take care of myself? What activities are beneficial? Where can I squeeze in the time? And at the very least, because we are already breathing, the idea is let's breathe at a slower rate, at a more even rate. It's something that we can use to help ourselves, and it's already happening. We just need to reset what the normal is for our breathing. Okay, so 1 more minute. The attention is on the inhale, the ability and opportunities to take care of ourselves, nourish ourselves deeply through activity, food, mental awareness. If we are extremely busy and our breathing is slow and even, then the stress is not affecting our physiology. So the mind is active and the body is calm, and the breathing is a reflection. And then for the next 5 minutes, we will bring our attention and our direction of movement towards the abdominal area. And the exhale. And the same smooth qualities of breathing that we had on the inhale. Relaxed, easy, even. And as we exhale, we can find a deeper exhale. So we exhale till the bottom and then exhale a little bit more. And as we transition towards the inhale, it's soundless and relaxed. The inhale is free and the exhale is precise as the belly button moves towards the lower lumbar area, the extension of the lower back, the concentrated movement of the digestive fluids in the abdominal area. How do we aid the process of elimination, the turnover in the lymphatic system, of the immune system? No movement, no good. Circulation is extremely important at the cellular level. And the exhale is our final ability to push out toxins. The exhale is also how we can utilize what we've developed in our energy, our mental capacity, physical capabilities, and how do we bring them out into the world? What do we breathe out? And how can we be in balance with how we take care of other people? Two more minutes. The exhale can be longer, slower, even. Trust at the end of the exhale that there then is the inhale. How much are we willing to let go, detach, disconnect, and trust? One more minute, long, easy, smooth, effortless exhale. Feel the weight of the body moving down towards the center of the earth. The weight. The more we let go, the more the body can drop down onto the ground. And now for the last 5 minutes, bring your awareness to the inhale and the exhale, feeling very extended and expanded on the inhale and empty and released on the exhale. And we will do a meditation through visualization. So please imagine a place where you go, where you've been, where you'd like to be, where you find your not just peace and tranquility, but energy and vitality, vibrancy. So mentally hang on to that image that you've either experienced or want to experience or want to embrace for this moment, for these next 4 minutes. So as we inhale and exhale, we both take in that which can deeply nourish us and let go of that which is no longer useful for us. This ongoing cycle. What do we build? What do we nourish? What do we release? What do we let go of? How do we let go of our ideas of stress and anxiety and understand that it gets filled by peace, tranquility? Brilliance doesn't have to be stressful. We continue to go back to the breath and the mind and let the breath override the mental tendency towards stress, anxiety, and disharmony. Extend the length of the inhale and the exhale. Go back to your meditation, your visualization. Two more minutes. Expansive inhale, elongated neck, opening the mind, the head. Elongated exhale, releasing, letting go. Moving from the core, hypercirculation in the abdominal area, the digestive fluids. This unusual focus and attention, this inner relationship and the effects consistently. Stay with it. One more minute. If you can, you deepen the smooth quality and effortless nature of the breathing, deepening the internal mental focus on this idea or image. "30 seconds to finish your meditation, your breathing, your intention. "10 seconds. Excellent. Thank you.